Today's video is the unboxing of the Samsung S22. Got it today. Gonna unbox it now. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get straight into the unboxing. First of all, let's get rid of this bag. Just got my receipt in there. I got it sent straight to the O2 store in Plymouth. Oh, yeah, I don't need to worry about any of that. So let's. Alright, here we go. Look at that. Oh, there's my SIM card. Some bits and pieces. Get extra 100. Yeah, I'm actually going to be doing that. I'm going to get rid of the phone that I'm recording on. That's the A71 I've got. And Samsung Buds. Going to get those as well. That's looking forward to that. That's going to be great. Apparently there's about a 60-day wait for these, so or up to 60 days. Hopefully it's not going to take that long. Oh, there it is. Look, that's nice, isn't it? Nice box. A lot nicer than the old box I got for the the A71. Let's open that up. And that. I thought it might just open up like that. Ah, look at that. There it is. Whoa, don't drop it. That's a nice looking phone. Oh, actually, oh, that feels nice. I do like that. That's a bit more square than what I'm used to on my phone. It's almost like Apple square. I like that a lot. Look at that on the back. Very nice indeed. So yeah, it's a lovely feeling phone. Feels like it's metal on the back. Anyway, let's. Oh yeah. We've got another one on the back as well. Let's get rid of that. Oh, look at that. That is such a nice looking colour. That's lovely. Can you see that all right? Yeah, I like that a lot. So the speaker on the bottom, that's the bit where you put in your SIM card. Sorry, no, it's not. It's the bit where you put your, yeah, I think that's SIM card, isn't it? Yep. USB-C on the bottom, as usual. That's what we like to see. Yeah, that's just really nice. Oh, it's got a little strip on the side there. That's quite cool. Like that. And what else have we got in the box? We've got our little tool to get the SIM card open. Oh, look at that. USB-C to USB-C. That is absolutely fine. Start guide. And what else have we got in here? That is some stuff in different languages. Alright, so that's that. Anything else in the box? Nope, that's it. That's all you get. Not even any headphones. Oh yeah, there's no headphones. Because we're going to get some free earbuds at some point. They don't do earbuds. That's interesting. You don't get normal. Every phone I've had so far, all of my life of buying phones, apart from the very, very first ones, they all come with earphones, don't they? Not this one, as it seems. Okay, never mind. That's fine. Let's see what it's like when I turn it on and come back to that one. Okay. Okay, so after installing all the applications from my other phone and getting the mobile data sorted out, it's all working. It's already up and working, so it's all good, and I do really like it so far. It's obviously a lot smaller than my other one, but you know what, I'm dealing with it. I've got a screen guard on it because you got to do that straight away. I've got a screen protector from Tech Gear, and this one comes with 3 different screen protectors. It's got a little cloth for cleaning your phone first, and the applicator guard. So I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to get one or sell one of those. Also, you must have, if you want to look after your phone, get a cover as well, because get a clear one so you can see it, because this is a lovely green colour. And then there we go, there is the phone. Brilliant phone so far. Let me know in the comments down below if you've got one and what you think of it. Alright, so thanks for joining me on my little video, and if you did like it, don't forget to give me a little like and then subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future content. Ring that bell. Okay, thanks guys, thanks for joining me again. I'll see you later. Bye.